On the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti and 4th anniversary of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan on Saturday, Bollywood actress Jacqueline Fernandez took up the initiative to clean up the beach. The actress took to her social media to share some pictures from the cleanup drive. Jacqueline made sure to follow all the necessary protocol. The kick actor can be seen donning a mask and gloves during her beach cleanup drive in the pictures. The pictures have her helping the other volunteers to clean dumpings on the beach. Sharing the pictures on Instagram, Jacqueline wrote, 2nd October, a date which is etched in millions of hearts as it's the birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Today it's even more special because the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan turns 4. A clean city is the best gift we could give ourselves and other citizens. To do my bit on this day, I, along with YOLO Foundation and Kala Belmalhar from Beach Please India, decided to visit the Methi River bank to understand how we could also contribute. Beach Place India has been working relentlessly to keep our city clean. They regularly conduct beach cleanups, which we all can volunteer in. Let's all pledge together to save this beautiful city, country, and planet. Jacqueline Fernandez, who was seen most recently in the horror comedy Bhoot Police, recently starred in a brand new People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals PETA India campaign that asks everyone to turn their backs on cruelty to rabbits by keeping Angora out of their wardrobes. The visual was shot by Ace Fashion and advertising photographer Sasha Jairam. No scarf or sweater is worth tormenting or killing a gentle rabbit, says Fernandez. Talking about her upcoming projects, Jacqueline will next be seen in Ram Setu, Attack, Kick 2 and Bachchan Pandey. Attack is all set to release on Republic Day 2022. The film, directed by Lakshya Raj Anand and also starring John Abraham and Rakul Preet Singh, was originally scheduled to be screened in theatres across the country on August 14, 2020. But the COVID-19 pandemic delayed its release. Jacqueline is also all set to make her Kannada film debut with Vikrant Rona. She has been paired opposite actor Kicha Sudeep. Vikrant Rona is a multilingual action adventure that will see a 3D release in 14 languages and 55 countries. Directed by Anup Bhandari, produced by Jack Manjunath and Shalini Manjunath, co-produced by Alankar Pandian. The film's music is by B. Ajanish Loknath. INS report.